Your images in Mylio Photos are stored on the device in which you imported them. If you're using a computer and you copy or move files to that computer, they will be in the internal storage on that drive within the Mylio System folder. If you have linked a folder, the files are not moved, they simply remain in the folder from which they were linked. With Mylio Photos Plus, you can designate a device to be a vault. Devices designated as a vault receive all of your originals. So if your device has been set up as a vault, like an external drive, within it there'll be a Mylio folder that will contain a copy of all of your original photos. Those files are accessible outside Mylio by going directly into the file system. But really, we recommend that you keep using Mylio to manage your photos and avoid using the file system whenever possible. Mylio Photos gives you all the tools that you need to move, organize, and protect your photos directly.